Time to put some character into this mini JCW. Hi guys, welcome back to Carbonwurks. Today we've got for you another mini video and it's deja vu in the workshop. So another rebel green car, just like our old development car. So we're working under the bonnet today, and the aim of the game with this one is to bring some more sound back into the car. So a bit more theatre, a bit more character there behind the throttle pedal when you open it up. So it's all about intake noise for us. It's having the same intake package that our car had, and we've also fitted to a few other cars since then, which is the Forge aluminium hard pipe, which replaces this plastic silenced intake pipe here, and then the Ram induction kit, which goes here. So you've seen it before, you've probably seen me install it before. What we're going to do is get it installed, show you it fully fitted up afterwards, and most importantly do our best to demonstrate to you just how good it sounds afterwards. It does sound great. Opens up a lot of the sort of standard, the typical whooshy chirping turbo noises you want from your turbocharged car. So like I say, tried and tested from our point of view. We loved it on our car, which is why this customer's here. So he wanted the exact same thing that we had. So that's over there behind me, ready to go on. So I'm going to get stuck into it now. We'll show you what it looks like at the end, and most importantly what it sounds like. So a quick rundown of what our intake system incorporates. So again, mandrel bent aluminium hard pipe from Forge, retains the standard factory clip that goes onto the turbo housing. So you swap that over, bolt that in place using the fixings here. That deletes the silencer in the stock intake pipe to release some more noise, and the tinniness of the aluminium also amplifies the noise that you get. You've then got the silicon elbow, which connects it either to your standard airbox or in this case to your intake kit. We've got here what we initially fitted to our car, which is the Ram intake. Very nice bit of kit. You've obviously got the heat shielding here, which helps to keep out some of the ambient temperature from the engine bay. Lifetime pleated filter, cone filter here, nice and big as you can see. So again, amplifies a lot of the volume that you're going to get from the hard pipe. And again, aluminium hard pipe there to replace the stock plastic item, and the Boss there for the intake sensor, which gets moved over. So like I say, we think it looks great under the bonnet as well, which is important, but most of all it's nice, straightforward to fit. So I'll get that on now. You've probably seen me fit them before, so I'll get cracking, get it fitted. We'll show you what it looks like at the end and show you what it sounds like afterwards. So just going to show you inside Darth Vader's new home. Here under the bonnet now we have the Forge hard pipe and Ram intake combined. Darth Vader sounds like he's living in the glove box now, which is great, exactly what we wanted. We'll now post or add in a sound clip of the intake with the engine running, so you can hear exactly what you're getting. But we love this sound back when we had our car, right at the start, one of the early mods that we did as well. So firm believers of this combination. If you're looking for something similar for your car, or an exhaust, which is another video we've also done recently, the RamAIR system, which worked really well, please drop us a line, whether it's a message on our website or a comment here on the YouTubes. Very much appreciated. We'll get back to you. Until the next mini video, like, share, subscribe, keep your eyes peeled, and hopefully this won't be the last time we see this Rebel Green Mini. We'll be able to still keep our hands on one despite getting rid of ours, unfortunately. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. Again, any needs for your Mini or other cars for Ram and Forge, please drop us an email or comments below. Thanks very much.